Hi guys, Dr. Alexa here at our Shakopee clinic. Today I'm going to show you what a full spine adjustment is going to look like. Follow me this way.
In this first adjustment, I have my patient laying face down on the table. I always begin with a gentle, soft tissue massage to get my patient feeling comfortable and to feel where her body may need an adjustment.
Big deep breath in. And then
I'm starting here in the thoracic spine with my hands set up like this. I get my patient to take a big deep breath in and then all the way out, and a quick adjustment at the very end of her breath.
Big deep breath in. And then all the way out. Beautiful.
Chiropractic is designed to take tension off the nervous system. In this next adjustment, I am targeting my patient's low back. I have her in a side-lying position, knee bent. I set my hand up on her pelvis, and I adjust her low back. In this final neck adjustment, I am feeling for any restrictions. I take my patient's head to the side, and I deliver a quick adjustment that is painless and provides relief to the patient.
So today we treated this patient for her low back pain by loosening up the muscle groups and removing tension from her nervous system. If you're experiencing any pain, just go online to book an appointment with me today. Thanks, guys.